till words turn into noise. Here we go round and round again. But people, we were meant to be.
Hello and welcome to first grade. I'm Mr. Osterland and this will actually be my 17th year in first grade.
I'm Mrs. Sanders and this is my 14th year in first grade. And I'm Mrs. Hastings and this is my 14th year in first grade.
Well, we're so excited to see everyone on Wednesday, and we just want to take a moment to introduce ourselves and show you a little bit around school. So let's go ahead and let's find out how we're going to get to our classroom. First thing we have to do is you guys come in every morning. We'll come in through these middle doors if you are being dropped off by your parents. If you're on a bus, you'll have a different entrance towards the back. But let's go ahead and let's see how we get inside here. So first thing we do is mask up.
Into a brand new day, the world's up in your face, and they're gon' whisper in your ear. Just push them back, you need your space to be who you gon' be. You got so much more to give. Don't look to the left or right. You know the future's worth the fight. Don't look to the left or right. You gotta love with your life, like a fire burning strong till the night is coming.
Are right across from the bathroom. So the first door is Mrs. Sanders, and this other door is Mr. Osterland's.
So here are our classrooms. We're entering Mr. Osterland's classroom first. If you can see, it's set up a little different than how we are used to here in first grade. We're going to try to do our best to social distance. We are going to work on keeping our mask on in the classroom the best we can, but we will take some breaks throughout the day. So as you walk in, we'll have lockers right by our door. Each of you will have your own locker that we'll put supplies in. As we come in that first day, we'll probably just have you bring your supplies and straight to your desk, and we'll get them sorted out then. All right, and we also in our classrooms, we have our Chromebook stands. So this year, every student will get their own Chromebook that we'll use throughout the school day, and they'll have, if we happen to go remote. Well, let's go and check out Mrs. Sanders' room. So Mrs. Sanders' room is set up a similar way. So she's got her Chromebooks on the far wall, as well as by the door. And just like Mr. Olson's room, we have the purple lockers right inside the door. All right, we can't wait to see these classrooms all filled up.
Okay, boys and girls, every day when you come to school, and this is for parents too, you're going to have your purple folder. We call it our hero binder. And it will have your name on the front, and then when you open it up, it'll have a spot where you can put things that you need to return to school, and eventually when we start our homework and you have a reading log, you'll also put your reading log in here. It also in the middle has our schedules and our contact information so that moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas and all those great people know how to get a hold of us, and what specials we're going to those days to remind you to wear your tennis shoes on Mondays and Wednesdays for gym, and where we're going to have art and library to remember to bring those library books back. And then in the very back, it's going to have a little packet for our things we're going to leave at home. And there's some notes in here to start for our first day of some very important information for moms and dads. So that's something you're going to take home. And then when you take it home every night, you're going to make sure that you clean it out so mom and dad get to see everything you've done here at school. And then you put it right back into your book bag and bring it with you the next day. And we'll always keep them right here in our desk.
Hey guys, every day there are two things that you can bring to school. And the first one is a snack, because we have a very, very, very early lunch. We eat at 10:15. Some of you might not even be up at 10:15 for the last 5 months, but we eat early, so we might be a little hungry in the afternoon. If you think you're gonna be hungry, mom and dad can send in a snack with you, something very simple that's really quick to eat, like maybe a Ziploc bag full of pretzels or dry cereal, something like that. And also water bottle. Very important because the drinking fountains are turned off. So bring your water bottle. We can fill them up here at school, so I'm going to show you how to do that. If you need to get more water, you'll just raise your hand and ask us, and then we'll go out in the hallway And we're kind of lucky because it's right across from our room. And this part, the drinking fountain, does not work, but the water bottle refill station does. So we'll just bring it out here, fill it up, make sure the lid's on nice and tight, and then head back in.
Now, dismissal isn't going to change a whole lot. The biggest change is there's going to be no more gym pickup. So the kindergartners won't be in the gym. So your first grader, as they leave, if they're getting picked up, they're going to go out the middle doors right by the office. If there is a younger sibling, like a kindergartner or a preschooler, they'll walk down on the days that the kindergartner and preschooler are here, and they'll meet them out on the sidewalk here at the kindergarten and preschool pickup.
Bus pickup will be exactly the same as it was last year. We will walk all of the kids out to the back doors of the school. We'll walk them to each one of their own buses, and they'll ride their bus to their drop-off.
And we ask that if you can just send us a note so that we know for sure what your child is going to do at the end of the day. And if there's ever a change, we just need a note sent in, or you can call into the office, but we need to hear from you. We can't just take the student's word for it, sadly, without having confirmation from you so that we make sure they're safe and get where they need to be.
We think of everyone that comes through our doors as part of our family here. And we're going to love your kids, we're going to treat them with respect, and we're going to have some great attitude just about the school year with whatever it brings here. Some things to kind of look forward to here just with Unknown is keep your eyes out for programs like Seesaw. Seesaw is a program that we're going to use. We're going to get the kids familiar with here at school, and if we do happen to go to remote learning at some point this year, it will be a program that they will be using at home with you.
And it should be, once we get them started, they will be very, very familiar with it, and they will pretty much be able to open it up and use it completely independently.
One other thing that we need you guys to know is the school is providing a mask. You can see Mrs. Sanders is holding it up there, and Mr. O has one. And they will be getting that mask, but on the first day, they'll probably need to wear another one in because they'll need multiple as the year goes on. But we will be providing one to send home with them.
But sometimes the word's just not enough. Gotta dig a little deeper. You